6 following the money tonight, money that could be taken out of your pockets for more expensive groceries. Washington's Attorney General launching a legal fight against Albertsons and Kroger over their planned merger.
And our Jenny Young watching out for you, also speaking with the state's AG today, who says this deal has red flags that could hurt shoppers here in the Northwest.
Washington Attorney General Bob Ferguson and 6 other attorneys general across the country sending a letter to Albertsons telling them not to pay $4 billion to shareholders that was promised. Albertsons responded and said they're going to make that payment, so the AG launched a lawsuit immediately.
My job and my team's job is to be an advocate for the people, to be the law firm for the people. And if you're a Washingtonian and you're a consumer going to grocery stores, what chance do you have to take on 2 big corporations who want to merge together, make billions of dollars of payments to shareholders, and that has the potential to raise your prices when you go to the grocery store?
Tomorrow afternoon, Washington Attorney General Bob Ferguson and his team will go before a court commissioner and ask for a temporary order to block Albertsons from giving its stockholders $4 billion.
So this has been a highly accelerated process to get before a judge, and we feel optimistic.
This 19-page lawsuit filed in King County Court claims that federal financial records show Albertsons doesn't have $4 billion in cash and would have to take out a loan to make the shareholder payment. Ferguson explaining that could hurt shoppers.
By weakening themselves with this $4 billion payment, what does that lead to? Hey, fewer items on the shelves, right? Prices that may go up.
He says fewer items on the shelf could also impact workers' hours. On page 10 of the complaint, the AG's office quotes economic and policy experts that call the Albertsons-Kroger merger a win for private equity and a loss for workers.
Everything about this raises red flags, honestly. The fact that 3/4 is going to a private equity firm, the fact that it's a part of this proposed merger, the fact they have to borrow money to make it happen, all these raise red flags, and that's precisely why a court should slow this down, put that on pause, and let the regulators, like the federal government and my office, review this proposed merger and see if it's lawful or not.
I reached out to both Albertsons and Kroger. Albertsons sent a statement saying, in part, quote, "The lawsuit brought by the Washington State Attorney General is meritless. It will be paid regardless of whether the merger is completed. The allegation that this dividend will somehow hinder our ability to compete in the marketplace is also meritless." I also reached out to Oregon's Attorney General asking if the merger gives her cause for concern and if she has any plans to fight it as well. We'll let you know if I hear back. Jenny Young, KOIN 6 News.